Today, Joyce and I are going to Cebu, and I will be vlogging with the GoPro Hero 11 and my Sony A7S III using the Tamron 20 to 40 millimeter f2.8 lens, which I haven't reviewed yet on my channel. So, let's go. All right, let me just interrupt you before we go to the vlog. The reason why I'm doing this vlogging test is because if you haven't watched my previous video, I vlogged with the DJI Osmo Action 3. Now it's the GoPro Hero 11's turn to be used for vlogging. And this is because a lot of people are asking me if they can use these action cameras as their main cameras, which they will also use for vlogging. So that is the reason why. Let's go to the vlog. Alright, nandito na kami sa car and going to the airport. Traffic. So hulaan nyo, gaganan ako ng lens hulaan nyo kung A7siii o GoPro. So ang dilim, hindi ko lang bakit. Naka ISO 800 ngayon yung GoPro. We will arrive there by 20. Kumusta yung shot? 9:25, yeah. 9:40. Low light or no light? Hindi nakatay video. Carousel number 5. Antok. So antok na kami. 11 na? Oh my gosh, so 11 na. Ang flight namin originally was 8:25. Tama ba?
Tapos yung dating was dapat almost 10 o'clock.
Yeah, parang 9:55 was our original schedule. And yeah, it's 11. Okay, so ito na. Ang petsa na. The next day na. Okay, it's our room. Our wet baggage. So, may storya yan. Hindi nyo na nakita sa vlog. Basa yung maleta namin. Nag-complain pa kami sa airport. As in, basa. Soaked. Hindi siya parang nabasa lang. Basa siya hanggang loob. At kasi umuulan daw. Alright, good morning. Auto white balance, kulay blue tayo. Bakit ganun? Yan, pula na ako. Alright, so kain muna kami yung breakfast. Kasi si Joyce magpapa-mook up na. Yan. Hi.
Hello.
Ano ba't ganun?
X.
X or box? It's called I detect autofocus. Tingnan niyo yan, tingnan niyo yan. Buffet, nagte-take home sa buffet. Tingnan niyo yan. Kita mo, huli ka. Caught on camera. Huli ka, Sharon. Kala mo, hindi ko nakita yun, ha? So it's nice to be able to vlog again. Yup, now going to prepare for the wedding. Okay, so 11:15 na. And wala pa rin si Joyce, papa-makeup pa rin. Pero nag-order kami room service kasi Yun. I think 1:30 yung wedding, and we are going to the reception at 4 p.m. So, yan. Lalo na si Joyce gugutumin yan. So, alright, so I'm trying to get a time lapse using my GoPro Hero 11, and yeah, getting a time lapse of that view outside. Alright, probably gonna show that in 3, 2, 1. Are at the venue ng kasal. Against the lights. Okay, so dito na kami. Tapos strategic tong inupuan namin. Kasi electric fan si Toby. Dahil kay Toby, electric fan. Ganda. Ganda. Before the wedding.
Hello!
Biyak ka na daw ba?
Indoor coaster test of the GoPro Hero 11. Ito, possible buyer.
Gusto ko tingnan yung DJI Osmo.
Okay.
Mamaya naman.
Alright, so there you have it. You've seen the GoPro Hero 11 in, real world scenarios, especially when it comes to vlogging. Again, I explained at the start of the video why I'm testing this for vlogging instead of, action things. Yeah, so that's it, and stay tuned because my next video will be the review, or the comparison rather, of the GoPro Hero 11 and the DJI Osmo Action 3. Now, please, if you like this video, please do check out other videos here on the channel here.